No clue what I just did there, but I'm using my new phone right now. Sorry for, I don't know what I was doing there, but take two. Anyways, what I'm trying to say right now, guys, is I'm using my new phone and it seems pretty nice. It's a S10. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it on my Instagram. So if you haven't seen it on my Instagram, go check it. And I got some exciting news. Thank you to my friend. I will put his Instagram literally in the description. Thank you to him because now I can edit way better. Just a quick announcement before I say anything else. I can edit way better now, do way better edits and stuff. And that's kind of a secret. I will not be, unless you guys are professional editors and know how to do things, then I will tell you, and like you have to DM me and I will tell you how I start to do my edits way better. But unless you aren't, then you're gonna have to really dig deep, my friend, and find a really good editor, or do the internet FBI type stuff, when you hack into their stuff, the internet stuff, and they crack. But enough of the jokes, guys. Let me get straight to the point. What I wanted to say is that I will be doing a lot of different talks. I posted on Instagram just a while ago. I have work in about like 6 hours probably, so I'm just posting this quick video and I will get it out to you guys tomorrow when I get home, which will be pretty early when I get home tomorrow after work. So what I'm trying to say right now, guys, is I will be doing a lot of car talks, a lot of motivational talks in the morning, in the daytime. I will do very short clips of it, talking about cars and my understanding of how cars really, how passionate I am about cars and how motivated I am to keep fulfilling this dream until, one day when which will be pretty dang soon. I'm believing it in my whole entire mind. I should stop saying whole entire everything because that's been screwing me up. See, I'm about to say it again. So that's been messing me up. So in my mind, I'm just going to be pursuing it and talking about it and manifesting it. I never really believed in manifesting it that much in your mind. So what I'm about to do with this channel is going in the up direction, and hopefully you guys stick with me because my explaining is not that good. I have to really try to explain a lot better to you guys. If that sounds proper, a lot better. My words are still a work in progress, guys, so stay with me. So yeah, I will be doing a lot of motivational talks and a lot of car talks. So feel free to give me suggestions and help me out in comments on like if I'm correct or if I'm wrong in this or if I'm misunderstanding of this. So I don't really know much, guys, but all I'm saying is that this is the beginning of something huge and I believe that to be true. And I just can't wait to be able to literally just go out with friends and just vlog car stuff, talk about cars, and just enjoy a good car life, if that makes sense, alongside my life in terms of like showing you guys day-to-day stuff, vlogs, and the regular stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to say to you guys. I will get this out tomorrow, as I said, and be on the lookout for a good car talk day after tomorrow, which will be Wednesday. So yeah, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'm really loving, my friend was really, no, what am I saying? My sentences are, I need to get some sleep, guys. It's about 12 o'clock, nearly 1 o'clock, so I need to get some sleep. But yeah, my friend was right about the camera. I will be buying a new camera sometime this year, but not anytime soon because I'll be using my phone camera for the majority of my videos. So if you guys want to know more about that type of stuff, like you don't have to like buy expensive stuff, I will do a video separate from the car stuff, talking about you don't really need expensive cameras, and I've just really understood that you don't actually need, that video is coming. That video, I'll do a separate video on that. But until then, guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and I will catch you in tomorrow, Wednesday's video. Yeah.